Hello, IBAN fans. I hope you're doing well. So, TreasuryDirect is doing Sunday maintenance on their website between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Does this mean the IBAN gifting glitch will be fixed? I sure hope so. In the meantime, this is just a quick update on where things stand based on investigative reporting by many of our IBAN detectives on this channel. And so that all of you know, I really truly appreciate the super saving community that we've built together. Without all your calls, comments, and updates, sometimes even daily updates, we never would have put all the puzzle pieces together on this gifting glitch. This section literally goes through the Q&A between this meticulous IBAN fan and a TreasuryDirect representative that was posted in the comment section on Friday afternoon, a few hours before TreasuryDirect closed for the weekend. Here's what this rockstar super saver found out for us about the IBAN gifting glitch from the TreasuryDirect representative that he or she spoke to. 1. This is an error they are aware of. The representative suggested that it should be fixed in a few days and had something to do with the coding. 2. There is a team working on this. 3. There is no other way to purchase IBANs as gifts right now, meaning they won't take orders over the phone. 4. There is no one to escalate this matter to. This one I found very, very interesting. There's always someone you can escalate major matters like this to. 5. If it's not resolved by the end of October, they will not honor the 9.62% for gifts purchased after that. Of course they won't. That didn't surprise me. 6. There is no process for alerting the media, signing a petition, taking legal action, or doing something else for this if it's not resolved by the time the window closes to lock in the 9.62%. This one I will leave to all of our politicians, lawyers, and media friends in the community to comment on. Now, I know some of you will laugh at me for this, but it's my glass is half full month. I'm really hoping that TreasuryDirect, that the government, cares enough about hardworking, super saving Americans to fix this IBAN gifting glitch sooner rather than later. And hopefully this weekend. But in any case, before the current rate expires. And I also know that some of you will be on that TreasuryDirect website at 10:01 a.m. Eastern Time on Sunday. And that others of you on the West Coast will set your alarms for a super early Sunday start. I have church on Sunday morning, so I won't be able to test this out as quickly as some of you will. But as soon as you find out whether the IBAN gifting glitch is fixed or not, please come back as always and let all of us know. You guys are all awesome. I hope you enjoyed this very short video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and